So how
right?
am I going
But
to alternate the breath from one and then the other?
with the hand,
How do you do it without the hands? How can people do it? I don't understand. Is it possible?
that is yes, why not? That is another state of once you. So remember we were talking about Swar Shastra. Swar is your breath. The whole Shastra is about, the whole Tantra of breath is about this. So left nostril, the left side is the left nari is Ida, it's related with the moon. Right is related with sun.
I
It's Pingla, it's hot.
Mhm.
It's sun hot. It's not hot, it's sun hot. So now there's a difference, sun hot and hot. There's a difference. And if you don't practice it, you cannot understand this. But I can, with words, I can only explain this much because this is experiential thing. Now Sushumna is hot. Sushumna is hot. You will find yogis, they go to this Himalayas, colder regions to practice in very cold regions. Why? Because when the Sushumna rises, it's very hot in nature.